I'll explain how to install Jmeter and how to invoke the Jmeter in the Windows machines. Okay. So first, launch any browser, either it may be Google Chrome or Firefox or Safari, whatever, and search for Apache Jmeter in the browser. Okay. So in the search result you can see here jmeter.apache.org. You can see under that you can see the download releases. Download releases. Just click on this. Okay. So here you can see download Apache Jmeter. So that link is redirected to the next place. That is download Apache Jmeter. You scroll little bit so that you can see here Apache Jmeter 5.4.1 requires Java 8+. So that means to run Jmeter in your local machine, you should have Java. That means Java should be installed in your local machine. If without Java, we can't run Jmeter. So therefore, you have to download JDK from Oracle website. Okay. So how to download Java, how to install Java in your machine and all, you see my videos. Okay, so here we have to about how to download and how to install this Apache Jmeter. Okay, so here you can see under binaries, and also you can see the sources as well. So the file from that under binaries only. When you have to use .tgz folder, when you have to download this .zip folder. So whenever like your mission is a Linux mission or Apple, okay, at that time you have to download this Apache Jmeter 5.4.1 tgz. Suppose your mission is Windows operated mission, so then you have to download this Apache Jmeter 5.4.1 .zip file. So that too from binaries only, don't go with sources. Okay. So next what you have to do, so you have to click on this Apache Jmeter 5.4.1 zip file to download that particular file. Okay, so it is started. So now already I have downloaded this Apache Jmeter zip file, so I have cancelled the what we call that downloaded zip file. Now I am going to that location. Okay, downloads. So under the downloads, okay, so we have to go to downloads. In the downloads we have Apache Jmeter 5.4.1 zip file we have. This is the zip folder. So what you have to do, you have to extract that file. Okay, so you have to extract all. So once you have extracted that file, so you can see the folder like Apache Jmeter 5.4.1. So you can see the folder like Apache Jmeter 1. Okay, so then you have to double click on that. So you can see one more folder here, Apache Jmeter 5.4.1. So 5.4.1 is a version number. Okay, again going to it. So you can see here bin, docs, etc., lib, license, printable docs. So many folders are there and you have to enter. Okay. So there is no installation process here in the Apache Jmeter. Okay, so whatever you have downloaded Apache Jmeter 5.4.1 version from the Jmeter website, so that will be in zip format. So you one and then you have to run the executable file, that is Apache Jmeter.jar, so which is in the bin folder. Okay, that's all. So there is no any separate process for installation of this Apache Jmeter. So every time what you have to do, so you have to go to 5.4.1 Apache Jmeter 5.4.1. So there you can find out the bin folder. Come to bin folder. So in the bin folder, you can see Apache Jmeter.jar. Just double click on this. Therefore, that executable file. So what it will do, it will invoke Apache Jmeter. You can see here. So Apache Jmeter is invoking. So Apache Jmeter is invoked. So you can see this is Apache Jmeter. Also you can see here the version number 5.4.1. Okay, 5.4.1 you can see. So this is the first process how to invoke Apache Jmeter from the Windows machine. And the second process is here you can see jmeter.bat, that is Windows patch file. The same file in the bin folder. Okay, double click on this. So this is the second method to invoke Apache Jmeter in your local machine. That too, so your machine should be a Windows operated machine, or else it won't invoke the application Apache Jmeter. So this is how you have to download and how you have to invoke Apache Jmeter in your local machine. That too when you are using with Windows operated machine. So let's say you are working in, you have to work on Apache Jmeter in Linux based machines or in Apple iOS software operated machines. At that time what you have to do, so you have to download this Apache Jmeter 5.4.1.tgz. So post download, so that will be in zip format. You have to unzip that folder. So once you unzip, so you just enter into the Apache Jmeter. There you can see the bin folder as it is. So whatever the folders you have seen earlier for the Windows, so you can see the same folders here. But the thing is how to invoke. The invoking is different. So OS to OS, the invoking process is different. So for the Linux we are talking now. So therefore what you have to do, so wherever the bin folder is existing, so there you have to invoke the terminal. So let's say I'm invoking a terminal. Assume this is a terminal for your Linux machine. Just what you have to do, /jmeter. Okay, then hit enter button. So therefore it will invoke your Jmeter. Okay, so this is how we will download Apache Jmeter software from the web, and that too from the Apache Jmeter website, and how to invoke Apache Jmeter. So there is no installation process. So there is no installation. Okay, there is no installation of this Apache Jmeter. Okay, so if you are having any doubts regarding this download and invoking Jmeter, you just comment in the comment box, so that I will answer to your questions.